Hello everyone, just a short extra video today, so no time for pleasantries, let's just get straight to the point. Yeah, I've been noticing something recently that needs addressing, and it's regarding how not you, but you, and you, but not you, how you have been using the noun advice. Now, you all learn at school or from exercise books that advice is an uncountable noun. And in order to make it countable, you have to use pieces of. So pieces of advice, which is correct. That's perfectly correct. But the problem I've been noticing is that people are using it too much. They're overusing that way of making advice countable because it's not necessary. Native speakers don't do it so often or so frequently. So for example, what I've been seeing recently are sentences like, do you have any pieces of advice on how to pass the Cambridge exams? Or could you give me some pieces of advice? Or thank you for your pieces of advice. Now, as I said, those sentences are all grammatically correct, but to the native ear, the native English speaker ear, they sound a bit strange because we don't really do that in English. There's no necessity to do that. Those sentences are much more common in this way. Do you have any advice on how to pass the Cambridge exams? Or could you give me some advice? Or thank you for your advice. So, as I've said in other videos, keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. I think just because you've learned at school that you can make advice countable with pieces of, it doesn't mean you have to do it. It's not so common. Very occasionally we need to do it. For example, I could say, my dad gave me 2 pieces of advice when I was young, because it's specifically talking about 2 individual pieces of advice. But it's much more common just to speak generally about advice, uncountable. Okay, that's all I wanted to say in this video. I'll see you very soon for another one. Take care. Bye.